Hey everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript from Zero to Hero course. So far, we have covered what is JavaScript and set up our development environment. Now, it's time to write our very first JavaScript program. Don't worry if you're new to coding, we are keeping it super simple and fun. Just like our previous video, we are going to use the same tools. I'll be using Visual Studio Code which we set up earlier. So here, I have opened Visual Studio Code. Now let's create a new file named index.html and then get a basic HTML syntax using doc keyword. So if you don't have any knowledge about HTML and CSS, then you can watch my HTML and CSS beginner's guide course. But this is a basic HTML structure. Don't worry too much about the HTML. We will focus on JavaScript part. Now inside body, let's create a heading tag. My first JavaScript program. JavaScript code goes inside script tags. Let's write a simple JavaScript command that will display a message on the screen. So after the body, I'm adding a script tag. And then inside it, let's call a function alert, and inside this function, I'm passing hello world. Perfect. So here it is. We have written a simple JavaScript command called alert. This command will pop up a little box that says hello world when you open the page. Now let's save our file and open it in the browser to see it in action. So right click here and then click on open with live server. If you're not be able to see this option, then you need to install an extension called live server. So this is the extension, install it from here. And now I'm clicking on open with live server. Here it is. Awesome, we did it. We just wrote our very first JavaScript program. The alert command is super basic, but it's the first step in learning how to code in JavaScript. Now that you have created your first program, we are going to dive deeper into JavaScript in our next videos. But for now, congratulations to you, you have officially started your JavaScript journey. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. I'll attach a link in the description. This video is a part of our JavaScript from Zero to Hero course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.